Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 12 Pythagoras theorem, exercise 12, question number 15 to 21 of M.L.aggarwal class 9 mathematics. So let us start solving this exercise in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let us solve here 15 question. In figure here given below, AB is equal to 12 centimeter, AC is equal to 13 centimeter and CE is equal to 10 centimeter. DE is equal to 6 centimeter. Then we have to calculate the length of this BD. So from Pythagoras theorem, firstly we will find the value of BC, then CD, and then we will add BC and CD to get BD. So simply in triangle ABC we can write AC square, firstly write it, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. We can find from here BC square as AC square minus AB square equal to 13 का whole square minus 12 का whole square, which will be 25 on calculating, and then BC under root 25 will be 5 from here. Again, in triangle, to find the value of CD, we can write in triangle CDE, we have CD square plus DE square to get CE square here. So simply CD square we have to find. So we can simply write CE square minus DE square, which will be 100 here minus 36. On calculating it, we will get here 100 minus 36 will be 64. And from here, we can find the value of CD as 8 only. Now we have find the value of BC and CD. To find the value of BD here, we will simply write it as BD is equal to BC plus CD here. We will put the value of BC firstly, which will be 5 from here, 5 plus 8. Here this will be 18. So this is the 13, sorry. So this is the final answer, means BD is equal to 13 centimeter here. Now let us solve here 15th second part. Firstly, in figure given below, angle PSR is equal to 90 degree here and PQ is equal to, here this PQ is equal to 10 centimeter, QS is equal to 6 centimeter, this QS is equal to 6 centimeter, and RQ is equal to 9 centimeter. Firstly, to find the value of PR, we have to find the value of PS. So simply in triangle, we can write in triangle PQS. We can write PS square is equal to PQ square minus QS square. So PQ square here is 10 centimeter means 100, and here QS is equal to 6, which will be 36. Here we will get 64 and PS is equal to 8 on taking the under root. Now we have to take the RS value to find the PR. Simply RS is equal to RQ plus QS. So RQ is given to us here, which is 9 centimeters, it will be 9, and QS is also given, which will be 6, and we will get 15 centimeter from here. Now we have to find the value of PR here. So in triangle PRS, we can write RP whole square is equal to RS whole square plus PS whole square. So RP whole square we can write RS as 15 ka whole square plus PS whole square. PS we have found as 8, so it will be 64. 15 into 15 we can write it as 225 plus 64, which will be 289. On taking the under root here, we will get RP from this only. RP is equal to 17 centimeter on taking under root, and this is only we have to find, means PR we have to find, and we can write PR it also. So this is the final solution of this question here. Now let us solve 15th third part here. In figure given below, angle D is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to 16 centimeter, BC is equal to 12 centimeter, CA is equal to 6 centimeter. Then we have to find CD here. So this value we have to find. To find this, we can simply write in triangle ACD, we can write AC square is equal to CD square plus AD square. So AC square will be 36 from here, means we can write, firstly we will write as 6 square equal to CD square plus AD square as the first equation here. Now in triangle ABD, we we can write as 16 का whole square equal to BC plus CD का whole square, and this will be AD ka whole square. So simply we will open the whole square here. We will get as BC is given to us, means we can write the firstly whole square of BC. So it will be 144 plus CD ka whole square plus 2 into 12 will be 24 CD plus AD square. We have used the formula A square plus B square plus 2 AB. So simply we can write here 256 minus 144 equal to CD square plus 24 CD plus AD square here, and this will be from here only, it will be AD square plus CD square equal to 112 minus 24 CD, and we will put the value of AD square plus CD square here, which will be 6 square equal to 112 minus 24 CD, and here this we can write 36 equal to 112 minus 24 CD. This we have written from first only, from this first equation. So from first I have written this. Now simply we can write here 24 CD equal to 112 minus 36. On subtracting we will get 76, and CD will be 76 divided by 4. This will be cancelled out and we will get 19 by 6 from here. Simply we can write this part as now 3 1 by 6. So this is the final answer here in this question. Means the side is 19 by 6. Length of side is 3 1 by 6 centimeter here. Let us solve here 16 first part. Here firstly we have in triangle ABC, we can write in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square from here. And now in triangle ECD, in triangle BED, sorry, in triangle BED, we can write ED square is equal to BD square plus BE square. BD square plus BE square. From this first and second, we can write as by comparing because ED is equal to, here given ED is equal to AC, so we can write AB square plus BC square is equal to BD square plus BE square. Now we will put the value of AB, BC and whole thing here. So AB here is 5AE. So we can write 5AE ka whole square plus BC. BC is given to us 5 centimeter, which will be 5 ka whole square equal to BD. Here we can write BD is equal to BC plus CD. So simply we will write here BD, BC plus CD ka whole square plus BE square. BE square is here we can write BE as AB minus AE, and the value of AB is given to us. We will write here 5AE, which will get 4AE from here. 4AE ka whole square again we will write. Now in this whole equation, CD also we can write as 5AE square firstly plus 25 equal to BC. BC is what? 5 centimeter. Na? So 5 plus CD is 2AE here given only. So 2AE ka whole square plus 4AE ka whole square. Again, we will put AE in this whole equation as x. On putting it, we will get 25x square plus 25 equal to 25. Here 2 into x, so it will be plus 4x square, and here 5 into 2, 10 means 20x plus 4 16x square here. We will simply solve it, this simplify this whole equation here. On simplifying we will get here 25x square minus 20x square. 25 will be cancelled out, and here we will get minus 20x equal to 0. 5x square minus 20x equal to 0. On taking common here we will get 5x, x minus 4 equal to 0, as x will be 0 as first factor, but we will not take that, and here we will get x is equal to 4 centimeter, and here we have let AE only x, so A is equal to 4 centimeter, means this AE, this whole A is equal to 4 centimeter. Now from this only we have to calculate the value of EA. So simply we can write the value of AE 4 only. Now we have to find the value of CD. CD is given to us as 2AE. From this part only we can write it as 2AE will be 2 into 4, which will be 8 centimeter. Now we will have to find the value of AB. So AB is given here to us 5AE. We will again put the value of AE. So 5 into 4 will be 20 centimeter from here. Now the third thing is we have to find the value of AC. AC is here equal to given is not here, no? So we have to find the value of AC is equal to ED here given only. So we can simply write ED as AC is equal to ED. We can find the by hypotenuse rule by Pythagoras theorem. We can find it. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value of this. So AC square, from here we can write AB square plus BC square. Simply we will put the value of AB here, which will be 20 ka whole square, plus BC. BC here is given only, which is 5 centimeter. So it will be 5 ka whole square equal to 400 plus 25 equal to 425. We will take the under root here. From here we will get AC as 5 under root 17 centimeter. So this is the final answer. These are the values which we have to find. Firstly, we have to find the value of EA. This is 4 centimeter, then CD, then AB, and then AC. So this is the value of AC. Hence, find the final answer here. Let us solve 16th part. In figure given below, ABC is a right angle triangle at C. So if this D is midpoint here of BC, this line BC, we have to prove that AB square is equal to 4AD square minus 3AC square. So simply we can write it in triangle ABC. Firstly, we can write AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square as the first equation. Now in triangle ADC, we can simply write AD square is equal to AC square plus DC square as the second thing. Simply as this is the first and second thing here, we can write as D is midpoint, we can write the value of DC here as half of BC. So simply as we have found this also, we can put the value here in this AC square as AD square minus DC square. This will be AD square minus 1 by 2 BC square, and putting the value of DC here. This will be AD square minus 1 by 4 BC square equal to AC square. We will multiply 4 here on taking LCM. So AC square minus 4 AD square and minus BC square here. On cross multiplying, 4 will get this side, and simply this is the equation we found. And here uh, we have simply that given is this AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. So we can write it as AC square plus 3AC square equal to 4AD square minus BC square equal to AC square plus BC square will be AB square, uh, and it will be 4AD square minus 3AC square. So this is only we have to prove, hence proved in this question here. Let's solve here 17 question. In triangle AB is equal to AC, means this is also S, this is also X, and BC is 10 centimeter given to us here. Simply we have the area of triangle ABC as 60 centimeters square. We have to find the value of X. Firstly, we will draw here the perpendicular. So let us draw it AD, which will bisect BC here. So simply we will get DC equal to BD here as half of BC. So this will be 10, and we will get 5 centimeter from here. Now simply as we have this DC equal to 5 centimeter, so AB is equal to AC here, X, and BC is 10, and the area of ABC. To find the formula, with the formula of area, we can find the value of AD here, because this is height here. So simply, and this is base, this whole thing B is equal to here 10 centimeter, and H from this formula we have to find. This is 60 centimeter square here. From this we can simply find the value of here base is 10 centimeter. We will put the value here as division by 10 and into by 2, because this will go this side and this will be cancelled out, and here we will get as 12. So height is equal to 12 centimeter. From this formula we have found. Now this is equal to AD also, which is the perpendicular to BC. From this only, by Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value of x, which we have to find. Means AC square in triangle, whatever triangle we take, this one or this one, this is perpendicular only. So in triangle ADC, firstly, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. As DC square is equal to 5 centimeter, we will put the value of DC, and AD is also we have found. So it will be 144 plus 25, which will be 69, and from there only we have found the value of AC as 13 centimeter. So this is the final answer in this question. Means the value of x is 13 centimeter here. Now let us solve 18th question here. In a rhombus, if diagonals are 30 centimeter and 40 centimeter, find its perimeter. So simply we can find the value of OB here. We have half of BD from here, which will be half of 40. So this will be 20 centimeter, as this is OB is equal to OD here, and again OC we can find as half of AC equal to half of 30 equal to 15 centimeter. Now we have to find the value, we have to find its perimeter. As the rhombus sides are equal, we can simply find one side. So to find the one side, we can simply write in triangle, whatever triangle we take as, let it be OCB, and BC square we have to find, then OB square plus OC square. We will put the value here. So this will be 20 ka whole square, will be 400 from here, and plus OC square, which will be 15 ka whole square, this will be 225. We will add this and 625. BC from here we get 25 centimeter. From that we found that in rhombus all the sides are equal, means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD and DA. So this will be A, let it be the side of this rhombus. Now we have to find the perimeter here, and the formula for finding the perimeter here will be 4A equal to 4 into 25. We will put the value of A here. This will be 100 centimeter from here. Hence here the perimeter here is, hence the perimeter of rhombus is 100 centimeter from here. So this is the final answer in this question which we have to find. Now let us solve 19th first part here. In figure given below, AB is parallel to DC and BC is equal to AD 13 centimeter, and AB is full is 22 centimeter here. So and DC is equal to 12 centimeter. When we draw perpendicular, we will get MN as 12 centimeter, and here AM is equal to BN. So simply we can write AM is equal to BN here. We have to calculate the height of trapezium ABCD. So simply to find that, we can write as AB is equal to AM plus MN plus BN. So simply we'll put the value of Mn here. AB is equal to 22 centimeter. We will subtract 12 from here, and we will get, as AM is equal to BN, we can write it as 2AM. And on dividing, we will get 5 from here. Means AM is equal to 5 centimeter, and which is equal to BN also, because this is equal here. And in that process only we can find the value of here this AD square, so that AD to find the find the height of trapezium. So here by Pythagoras theorem we will use to find DM here. So firstly we will take the triangle here. In triangle AMD we can write AD square is equal to DM square plus AM square. We will put the value. So here we have AD as 13 centimeter, which will be 169 minus 25 equal to DM square. This will be 144 ka under root equal to DM, means DM is equal to 12 centimeter here, and hence DM is the height only of the trapezium. So height of trapezium from here we can write height of trapezium is equal to 12 centimeter. This is the final answer in this question. Now let us solve 19 second part here. In figure given below, AB is parallel to DC and angle A is equal to 90 degree and DC is equal to 7 centimeter. AB is given to us 17 centimeter and AC is given to us 25 centimeter. We have to calculate the value of BC. Firstly, we will take triangle ADC because it is a right angle triangle. We will apply the Pythagoras theorem. So we can write it as AC square plus is equal to AD square plus DC square. So this will be 25 का whole square equal to AD square and DC square will be 49. This will be 625 minus 49 equal to AD square and 576 under root we will take here to find the value of AD. So which will be 24 centimeter and cm from here we can write it as 24 centimeter, dc as 7 centimeter and am is also 7 centimeter. Because dc is given to us, here we have find the value of ad, then cm is also 24 centimeter, and as this is 7, dc is 7, we can write it as am is also 7 because it is a perpendicular, means am is equal to 7 centimeter. Now we can find the value of mb as ab minus am. Whole AB is 17 and AM is 7. We can write it as 10 centimeter, means MB here is 10 centimeter. This value is 10 centimeter and this value from here which we have found out is CM is 24 centimeter. Now we have to find the value of BC here. So by Pythagoras theorem, in right angle triangle CMB, we can write BC square is equal to MB square plus uh, cm square. So this will be 24. Firstly, we can write it as 10 ka whole square mb square plus cm square will be 24 ka whole square. Here we can write as 100 plus 576 equal to 676. We will take the under root. On taking under root, we will get 26 centimeter as the final answer which we have to find. This is only we have to calculate here BC. So this is the final answer in this question which is asked here. Now let us solve 19th question. In the figure given below, ABCD is a square here of side 7 centimeters. This whole side are 7 centimeter, means ABCD, CD and DA. We have AE given and FCCGHA as 3 centimeter. Now we have to prove that this EFGH is a rectangle. Simply we can write here as, firstly, those things are given are AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD as 7 centimeter, and again in the second part it is AE equal to AH equal to FC equal to GC equal to 3 centimeter. Now we can find the value of BE from here as AB minus AE. So this will be 7 minus 3 equal to 4 centimeter. Again FB will be 7 minus 3. This will be also 4 centimeter and DG will be also 4 centimeter similarly, and DH is also 4 centimeter. We can solve it. Now as this is 90 degree here, because it is a square, so as angle A is equal to 90 degree, we can simply say that in triangle AHE we can write the value of HE. So HE square is equal to AH square plus AE square. This we can write as 3 chi square plus 3 chi square. So 9 plus 9 will be 18 from here. So HE is equal to 18 HE square. Now we can write the value of HE by taking under root as 3 under root 2 centimeter. Similarly, in triangle EBF, we can write EF as this is also similarly in triangle G GF. We can write it as GCF. We will have, sorry, this is GF here. So this will be 3 under root 2 centimeter. Now we will take this and this triangle. So this is EBF and HGD. So here in triangle EFB, we can write EF square equal to 4 square plus 4 square. This will be 4 under root 2, means EF is equal to 4 under root 2 centimeter from here. Now in triangle DGH, we have GH square is equal to HD square plus GD square. Simply we can write it as 4 square plus 4 square as 4 under root 2 centimeter from here. Now join join, we have to join EG here to prove that diagonals are equal. If diagonals are equal, we can prove that it is a rectangle, because by theorem only. So we can simply find the value of firstly GE, we will find by triangle EFG. So simply firstly we will write in triangle EFG, as EF is equal to 4 under root and GF is here 3 under root 2. So EG square is equal to EF whole square plus GF whole square. We can simply write the whole square as 16 into 2 plus 9 into 2. This will be, we can write it as 16 into 2 as, this will be 32, and here this will be 18. We will add this and get 50 here. From here we can write EG is equal to 5 under root 2 centimeter. Now in triangle we will take the triangle HEG. So in triangle HEG, in triangle we will take here HEF. So here also we can write the value of HF square as HE square plus EF square, and we will put the value of HE here is 3 under root 2 ka whole square plus EF is 4 under root 2 ka whole square. We will get again 50. Taking under root, HF will be 5. Here we can write HF as 5 under root 2 centimeter. As EG is also diagonal of rectangle EFGH, and HF is also a diagonal of EFGH. So we can see that this is also diagonal and this is GE is also diagonal. So simply we hence proved from, as EG is equal to HF, diagonals of the quadrilateral are congruent. From here we can conclude. So this quadrilateral is a rectangle. So EFGH is a rectangle here. Hence proved from here. So this thing is proved from here. Hence in this question which is asked only. So this is the thing which we have to prove here. So here we have to solve the 19th part, in which it is asked find the area and perimeter of EFGH rectangle, which we have proved that it is a rectangle. So here area will be length into breadth, means length is here HE and breadth is, the adjacent side will be EF. So it will be, we can put the value H is 3 under root 2 as we have proved previously, and this is equal to 24 centimeter square. Now we have to, this is the area of the rectangle. Now we have to write the perimeter here. So perimeter formula is 2 length plus breadth. We can write the value again here, 2 4 under root 2 plus 3 under root 2, which will be 2 into 7 under root 2. We will get the answer from here as 4 under root 2 centimeter. So this is the final answer. This is the area here and this is the perimeter of the rectangle EFG. Let us solve 20 question here. Here AD is perpendicular to the side BC. So this will be BC is equal to half of BD, means BD is equal to half of BC. Sorry, we can write BD as half of BC here, and this is an equilateral triangle, means AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. We have to prove that 4AD square is equal to 3AB square. Simply, as it is a right angle triangle, we can write in triangle ABD as AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. So this we can simply BD as half of BC ka whole square plus AD square. So here we have to write it as 1 by 4 BC square plus AD square. We will take the LCM and cross multiply here. On writing this, we can write it as 4AB square equal to 4AD square plus BC square here. So we can write BC square as BC is equal to AB. So it will be 1 by 4, it will be AB square here. BC square will be AB square, and we can write 4AB square minus AB square as 3AB square equal to 4AD square. So this is the same thing which we have to prove only, which in this question which is asked to prove, hence proved from here in this question. So this is the process to prove it. Now let us solve here 21 question. In the adjoining figure, D and E are midpoints on the side BC and CA respectively of triangle ABC. Right angle at C, it is right angle at C, and we have to prove that 4AD square is equal to 4AC square plus BC square. So first thing we have to prove here. So to prove the first thing, we will take the rectangle because it is AD square. We can take in mm, in right angle ACD, AD square is equal to CD square plus AC square we can take here. Simply we can multiply this equation by 4. On multiplying by 4 we will get 4AD square equal to 4AC square plus 4CD square, and as 2CD square we can 2CD ka whole square we can write it as CB whole. So it will be 4AC square plus BC square because 2CD, because D is the midpoint, so we can simply write 2CD square as BC ka whole square. So this is only we have to prove in the first part, hence proved from here. Now the second thing which we have to prove here is 4BE square is equal to 4BC square plus AC square. So simply it is, we can write in right angle triangle. In this we can take the triangle here because it is B square, so we can write a triangle CEB. So in right angle triangle CEB, this is CEB, we can write EB square is equal to CB square plus EC square. So simply, because E is the midpoint here, so simply we can write this EC square. If we will multiply this 4, so it will be 4EB square equal to 4CB square plus 4EC square, and this 4EC we can write it as 2EC ka whole square will be replaced by AC square because AC is the whole side and E is the midpoint here. Simply now we can write it as 4EB square is equal to 4CB square. Um, 4 AC square here, and this is only we have to prove here, hence proved. Now let us solve the third part. In this we have to prove that 4AD square plus EB square is equal to 5AB square. So simply we can add these two equations given here. On adding, we will add these first and second equation. We will write it as 4AD square plus EB square. So let us write 4AD square plus EB square is equal to 4BC square plus AC square. Here we can write it 4AC square plus CB square and plus AC square plus BC square. So simply now we can write it as 5AC square plus 5CB square, which will be equal to 5 as common AC square plus CB square, and now 4AD square plus AB square on the left hand side. Hence proved from here, AC square plus CB square we can write as the Pythagoras theorem applying, we will get AB square here. This is only we have to prove in this question, hence proved from here. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.